Talk about the pass rate and passing mark of CHD exam. I am at ASHO website. So all the details are given in here. Okay. So what score do I need to pass my exam? What is the exam pass rate? First of all, if you see, it is listed here for all the exam that is offered by ASHRAE and certifications. For to pass the CHD exam, you need to score basically 70 out of 100. In the real exam, there will be 120 questions. 100 questions are real question and 20 questions are there just for testing. But basically, you would not know which is the real question and which is not the real question. They would not score the extra 20 question. They will score only 100 question. And you need to score 70 out of 100 to pass the exam. And exam pass rate. Okay, so live to date pass rate is for CHD 49%. So for instance, if 100 people sits for the exam, only 49 people passes the exam, and other 51 people, they do not. The highest pass rate is at CFDP exam, 79%, but however, CHD exam is one of the toughest exam or the toughest exam offered by ASHRAE. So be careful, take your preparation, prepare very well. That is the only tip for you to pass the exam because it is not a piece of cake. So be prepared for the exam. That is the only thing I can say you.